The first line of defense is oftentimes you. Not a strong password, not MFA, and not even encryption. With social engineering, the goal is to manipulate the user to give out crucial information by tricking their trust. This oftentimes comes in the form of phishing with fake emails, baiting them with juicy and amazing offers, painting false scenarios, and even tailgating them. In many cases, the aim is just to get their passwords, which is usually weak, reused, and oftentimes usually linked to some information about them. To deal with this, you oftentimes have to handle this with skepticism and verify every information that comes your way. Oftentimes, the aim is to impersonate. Notice here how P in support is missing. The aim is to trick you that it's actually coming from a support team. Once you trust them, it's easy to input your username and password, and they automatically can see your input using a social engineering kit. Once this is done, your account will be exploited and the whole organization could be breached easily.